Hey everybody, we're right around the corner and it's almost time for SP Fest in Seattle at the end of August. Are you going? If you are, or if you're not going just yet, you're still on the fence, let me tell you about one of my workshops that I'm doing at the conference that might put you over the edge or that might make you extend your stay. I'm doing a full day workshop for SharePoint developers who want to get ramped up and master the SharePoint framework. Regardless of your experience, if you're a seasoned SharePoint server-side developer that has no experience using the SharePoint framework, or you've got a little bit of experience, or you're brand new to client-side dev, I'm going to help you get up to speed with this. We're going to learn how to create web parts, extensions, call the SharePoint REST API, and even leverage the Office UI fabric. By the end of the day, you're going to be a master at the SharePoint framework. And for those of you who attend, I got some special freebies that I'm going to give you as well, and some special deals to the course that I have on the SharePoint framework. Join me in Seattle at the end of August at SharePoint Fest.